Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook, OLED 13.3 FHD touch display, Snapdragon SC7180, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, Qualcomm Adreno graphics, Chrome OS, Abyss Blue. Brand Lenovo. Series IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook. Screen size 13.3. Color Abyss Blue. CPU Model Snapdragon. RAM memory installed size 4GB. Operating system Chrome OS. Card description integrated. Graphics coprocessor Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C. CPU speed 2.55 GHz. The Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook is the ultimate 2-in-1 device, powered by Chrome OS and cloud computing and designed for portability. Take it anywhere for up to 15 hours of battery life. This versatile touchscreen Chromebook has a detachable fabric folio keyboard and stylus support, plus an ultralight slim chassis. Enjoy a favorite movie in tablet mode, then snap on the laptop-grade keyboard to become a productivity powerhouse. With its lightweight Samsung OLED display, the Duet 5 Chromebook's 13.3 Full HD screen at 400 nits bright is capable of true color via 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. Enjoy crystal clear audio from 4 speakers with smart amplifier technology, 2 microphones, and rear 8MP and 5MP front-facing 1080p FHD cameras for streaming and video calls.